Hi, and welcome to Computer Applications 2. I'm Mr. Atkinson, and I am the teacher for this particular class. Computer Applications is just a basic class that most people are taking either as an elective or as a replacement for one of the foreign language credits. And it's a course that we offer here at Harrison Center. The course, the way I've designed it, focuses on web applications. So we're going to be covering things like Google Docs, Google Drive, other apps that are in Google. We'll touch on some screencasting, and there's just a few other little things that I want to have you explore, things like screen captures, etc. So that's basically what it is just web-based computer applications. This class is designed to be completed through Moodle. Moodle is an online learning management system that the Port Huron Schools has for students and teachers to use. So I want to show you how to get on that first and foremost. So on the back of your course requirement sheet, you'll notice that there's directions to log in. All you need once you're on a computer is to use your school username and password to log in. So it's really simple to use. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like once you log in. Now yours may look a little bit different, but they look pretty much the same. Obviously I have some administrative things that you can't do, but when you open your page, this is what it should look like. And so what we want to do here is then scroll down to where it says Harrison Center and click on that, and then you'll scroll down to where it says Computers, and you'll click that, and there's only one computer class, and that's called Computer Applications. So there it is. So when you open up Computer Applications, this is what your page will see. You'll see the welcome screen. You'll see the course requirement sheet that I have available as a PDF. I have some brief directions on showing you how to use screen capture, how this can be good for some of your assignments. And then I have the pre-test, which I'd like you to do first before you dive into the different assignments. So and the pre-test is done using a Google form. So you can look at this stuff over. You can peruse the different topics. As you go down, you'll see that the first topic is Google Drive, then we get into Docs, Sheets and Slides, and then also Google Forms. From there, we get into digital presentations, and this is just a way to create a few different digital presentations. I've got a few different platforms to use there, and then we get into screencasting, which is what I'm doing to create this video, where you're recording images of your screen, recording your voice, and producing that into a video that can then be posted on YouTube or any other video hosting site. So to get started, just to kind of give you an overview here, when you want to go to a topic to start working after you've completed your pre-test, let's say you want to start on Google Drive. So you'll click topic 1, and most of the stuff builds upon itself, especially the Google apps. So I'd prefer that you start with Drive and then work your way through the list as it is on your course requirement sheet. This welcome screen always appears, so you always have this home base that kind of anchors here on the screen. And then the meat of the class you just have to scroll down for, and this is in topic 1 again. Your instructions are at the top here, and then all of the links that you're going to need are located on this page as well. Most of the pages I have set up so that they link, open in an extra tab or in a new window, so that you never have to navigate away from this particular page. I would recommend, as a force of habit, always using the right mouse button and clicking these links and opening them in a new tab or a new window. It just makes it easy, so you're not pushing the back button or trying to navigate back to the Moodle page, which has all your assignments and other web links on it. That's just the easier way to do it. So you'll notice for at least the first couple, I have a Learning Center. This is through the Google Apps Learning Center. So Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms all have a general web tutorial on the Learning Center. I want to make a note here that there are no assignments that you're going to be completing using these. Use them as at your discretion. It does give you some help on how to use these different web apps, especially if you're not familiar with them. For the first portion of the class where you're dealing with Drive and Docs, I used a site called GCF Learn Free, which offers some great tutorials, and then also offers they call them challenges, which are the assignments. So make sure that you read the directions here on the Moodle pages so that you know what you're supposed to be doing and what you're supposed to be submitting. I also have the assignment here for Drive, the Google Drive challenge assignments. If you click on this, it brings up all of the assignments you need to complete and some brief directions for those. These are all linked to the site, so if I am working on creating a Google Docs Slide 3 challenge, I can open that up, and then it just gives you a basic idea of what this looks like. So it tells you what to do. Create a new file in your Google Drive, rename the file, go back to Drive and explore the templates. That's the challenge, and they get harder, and there's more to submit as you build through the class, but I tried to make it so that the class built from one assignment to the next so that you weren't learning skills ahead and then it was going in a typical building block manner. And if at any time you want to get back in Moodle, you can use these breadcrumbs, they call them. So if I want to go back just to topic 1 or Google Drive, I click that and it brings me back to the assignments and the assignment drop boxes for Google Drive. If I want to go back even further, I can click on where it says Computer Apps, and that takes me back to the class with all of the topics listed. You'll also notice that if I'm in a topic and I want to navigate back to topic 1 or back ahead to topic 3 in this instance, you can use these links on the side as well. So this is just an introduction to how to use the Moodle page and how to use the different links in Moodle to help you complete this computer applications course. I hope you find it interesting, and as always, please feel free to ask the instructor for questions as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with the next topic.